Good morning, children. Welcome you all to today's science class. Children, in previous video we have completed our lesson 5 separation of substances. Okay, but notes of this lesson means question and answers PDF I'll give you on Saturday. So, today we are going to start new lesson, animals, forms and function. Name of the lesson is Animals, Forms and Functions. And learning objective of these lessons are means after studying this chapter you will know about organs and organ system, human skeletal system and locomotion in animals. Locomotion means movements in animal. Okay. So let's start with organ and organ system. Our body has several internal and external organs. Okay. Internal organs means the organ which are present inside our body like heart, stomach, liver, kidney, etc. And some external organs like ear, eye, nose, etc. And each organ has a specific function, such as function of ear is to hear and function of eye is to see. Function of heart is to pump the blood, etc. Okay, now you know that cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism. Means cells are building blocks of our body. Here you can see a toy. Children making this toy by using small building blocks. These are the small building blocks. By using these blocks, the children making this toy. Okay, so just like that, cells are building blocks of our body. Cells are building blocks of our body means our body is made up of these cells. Millions of such cells our body is made up of. Okay. But some organisms are made up of single cell means their whole body is constitute single cell, and such animals are called unicellular organism. For example, euglena you can see here and amoeba. These organisms are called unicellular organism because their whole body is made up of single cell. And these organisms made up of single cells, and that cell perform all the activities of body. All the vital activities performed by single cell. Okay. And the animal whose body is made up of more than one cell are called multicellular organism. Animal whose body is made up of more than one cell means their body is made up of millions of cells. Such organisms are called multicellular organism. You can see here insect, human body, plant body, all these are the examples of multicellular organisms. And various functions are performed by different group of cells. Okay, the group, now you understood cell. Okay, and the group of the similar cell together form particular functions is known as tissues. Okay, these are cells. Okay, and the group of the similar cell together perform a particular function or work, and thus cells, group of the cells is known as tissues. Okay, there are many types of tissues present in our body, like bones, muscles, blood. These are the tissues. Okay, and these tissues combine together to form an organ. These tissues combine together to form an organ. Okay, and organ perform some vital functions of our body. For example, ear is an organ, and that function of the ear is to hear. Okay, now the group of organs together to perform different life activities in our body, and such group of the organ together forms organ system. Organ system. Okay, for example, you can see here stomach along with the intestine, large intestine, together make forms digestive system. Okay, there are many such systems in our body, such as circulatory system, respiratory system, muscular system, nervous system, etc. Okay, and finally all these system together comprises our body. Within it, all the body system work together in perfect coordination. Thus, the body of all multicellular organism, including human body, are organized in same manner, and it can be represent cells. Cells together perform tissues. The tissues combine together to form organ. Organ combine together, functions together to form organ system, and so many organ system are present in our body, and that organ system together perform compromise means in coordination makes our organism, makes our body. Okay, a group of the similar cells combine together to form tissues. Okay, and tissues combine to form organ. Group of the organ functions together to form organ system, and different organ system taken together comprise our body. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's understand the organ taking part in organ system of organism and their functions with the help of this table. Okay, so circulatory system we will study in detail here. Circulatory system, and the organs of circulatory systems are heart, blood vessels and blood. A vein and artery are the blood vessels, and inside the artery and vein there is blood. Okay, so heart, blood and blood vessels together make circulatory system. Okay, and the function of circulatory system is to transport oxygen, waste and nutrients to different parts of our body. One more time, circulatory system, a circulatory system is our organ system. Okay, and the organs which make circulatory system is heart, blood vessels, that vein and artery are the blood vessels, and inside the artery and vein the blood is there. So together heart, blood and blood vessels make circulatory system. And children, work of circulatory system is transport oxygen, waste and nutrients to different parts of our body. There is a network of blood vessels in our body, and through this network of blood vessels, blood transport oxygen, waste and nutrients. Okay. Another system of our body, organ system, is digestive system. You can see here, digestive system is an organ system, and different organs of digestive systems are mouth, esophagus, okay, stomach and intestine. Okay, and intestine. These are the organs of digestive system. And functions of the digestive system is to digest food and release energy. The work of digestive system is to digest the food and release energy. This is the work and means function of digestive system. One more time, you can see, children, what are the different organs present in digestive system. Mouth, esophagus, stomach and intestine. These are the organs of digestive system. And what is the function of digestive system? The function of digestive system is to digest food and release energy. Okay. Now next organ system of our body is respiratory system. Respiratory system, and the organs which are present in respiratory system are nostril. There are two nostril. The opening of the nose is called nostril. Okay, nostril. Larynx means sound box, larynx and lungs, a pair of lungs. These are the organ of respiratory system. Means, and the function of respiratory system are taking oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Breathing is the function of respiratory system. Okay, one more time, you can see here the organs of respiratory system are nostril, larynx and lungs, pair of lungs. These are the organs of respiratory system. And the function, what is the function of respiratory system? Taking oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Okay, next organ system of our body is nervous system. Nervous system comprises organ, brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, these are the organs of nervous system. Means our nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. There is a network of nerves inside our whole body. And the function of nervous system is control and coordination. All control and coordinates all the functions of body. Means whatever the functions takes place in our body were that all under the control of nervous system. Means nervous system controls and coordinates all the functions of our body. Okay, next organ system of our body is excretory system. Excretory system, which excrete waste material from our body, and this excretory system consists of kidney. There is a pair of kidney, two kidneys are there, and ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra, and skin even. We we remove waste material from our body through sweat even. So skin is also a excretory organ of our body. Okay, so excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra, and one more excretory organ is skin. Okay, skin, through the skin we excrete out waste material through sweat, and that is why skin is also a excretory organ. Okay, and the function of excretory organ, removal of waste material from our body. What is the function of excretory organ or excretory system? Removal of waste material from our body in the form of urine, okay, and sweat. Now next organ system of our body is muscular system. Muscular system, and the organs of muscular systems are muscles of our body. Okay, and the muscles, what is the function of muscles? The muscles help in locomotion and movement of body parts. Without muscles we cannot move our organs. Okay, so muscular system, what is the function of muscular system? It help in locomotion, means movement, and movement of the body parts. Okay, next organ system of our body is skeletal system, means the cage. Skeletal system means the bone cage. Okay, here you can see whole skeletal system is here, and it skeletal system means whole bones of body. Okay, and the function of skeletal system is protects internal organ and provides support to the body and allow movement. Okay, skeletal system means the cage of bones, and it gives our internal organs protection. Okay, skeletal system means the framework of bones, of body. Okay, and this bones gives us support and strength, and it also protects internal part of our internal organs of our body, like bone that bones, framework of bones protect internal organ, like heart, lungs are very delicate organ, and this delicate organ is protected by this bone cage. Okay, so skeletal system help provide us to support and strength to our body, and also protect internal organs of our body, and also it help in movement of body. Okay, because of the skeletal system only the definite shape, we acquire definite shape to our body. Okay, next organ system of our body is reproductive system. There are different organs in male and female. There are different reproductive organ present in male and female. So the organ which are present in male reproductive system are testes, sperm tube, and urethra. okay, and urethra. Okay, these are the organs of male reproductive organ, and the organs of female reproductive system is ovaries, oviduct, uterus, and vagina. These are the organs of female reproductive system. Means the organs of male reproductive system are testes, sperm tube, urethra, and penis. Okay, and female reproductive system is ovaries, oviduct, urethra, uterus, and vagina. These are the organs of reproductive system, and reproductive system help in producing offspring. Okay, these are the various organ systems which are present, means perform activities together in our body. In our next class, children, we will study about skeletal system in detail. Okay, skeletal system means the bone, about the bone, framework of bone in our body. We will study in our next class. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good day.